Happy St Andrew's Day to everyone out there in Toronto. I'm Victoria Stewart. I'm a history student at the University of Dundee in Scotland, and today we're in St Andrews looking at some Scottish history and in particular the history of St Andrew himself.
Today the Fife town of St Andrews is known for its golf, university and stunning coastal views, but the legend of the man who the town is named after is celebrated on the 30th of November every year. St Andrew was one of the original 12 apostles of Christ. He worked as a fisherman in Galilee, and it is said he travelled to Greece to preach Christianity. In 1320, St Andrew was officially made the patron saint of Scotland in the Declaration of Arbroath. Although there are a few theories surrounding why he became the patron saint of Scotland, the most popular idea is that his relics were brought to Scotland in the 4th century, and the site consequently became a place of medieval pilgrimage. Others say that in the 9th century, Pictish king Angus MacFergus saw a saltire cross in the sky before a battle, and so he acquired St Andrew as the patron from then. Either way, St Andrew's crucifixion on an X-shaped cross remains a symbol of both Scotland's flag and heritage today.